All right, early in the morning here, going to come in here and kind of check on things. So here we have our hot peppers, our jalapeno peppers, and also have some carrots that are coming up here, looking pretty good. Got the bark mulch down to prevent actually the weeds from coming up through. It's been this is something new that we've tried this year, and it's really been awesome. Plus that bark mulch decays and creates compost over time. So here we've planted our tomato plants. Actually over the last couple of days they've kind of sprouted up pretty well here. So we've had a lot of rain, a lot of good sunshine, and garlic. Right here, this garlic I planted in October, and it is really looking good here. Let's move over here. Wow, alright. That lettuce, spinach is looking good. Boy, I'm getting hungry, thinking about lunch. Not doing quite as well yet are our cucumbers. They are just coming through right now. And then over here we have our strawberry plants that are coming up. Those are looking pretty good too. So far we've kept the vermin away. Things are looking pretty good out here. And on the other side we have our raspberry bushes and our blueberry bushes. All looking pretty good. Alright, there you have it. The Garden of Eden. Well, not quite.